everyone. Welcome to Summer Challenge 2021. This year's theme is Tails and Quails, and we have a lot of awesome activities planned for you this summer. I wanted to start by telling you a little bit about Kickoff Week, which starts on Monday, June 14th. First and foremost, the grab-and-go kits that will be available for Kickoff Week will be little journal kits. These little journals are going to be for you to fill out over the summer with different activities that we'll have available, and they'll come with a few accessories. So first of all, you're going to get this journal, which has nice lined pages for you to write or doodle in. The next thing you're going to get is a gel pen. This will be to write in your book. Specifically, I can tell you that we have a sensory exercise as one of our activity badges. So what that means is you'll have to sit outside in nature and you're going to reflect for a little bit and then write I see, I smell, I hear, etc. So we'll have a gel pen. The next thing you are going to get is a little charcoal piece. Now this you can use for sketching or doodling, but why it's in here is because one of our activity badges is going to be to get a bark rubbing of a tree. So you'll put a page of your journal up against the tree and you'll rub this and you'll get the imprint of the bark on your page. So that's what this is for, but you can use it for whatever you want. Next, you will be getting a little mini magnifying glass. This will be for you to look closer at things you might discover outside. One of our activity badges is to tail a bug. So your mission will be to find an insect or arachnid, and you're going to follow that bug for however long you can, basically. And then your objective will be either to write a story about the bug, draw a comic about the bug, or just draw a picture of it or reflect on the experience in general. Very open-ended. The next thing you're going to get in your kit is a glue stick. Now this will be handy dandy for decorating your journal, which you could go ahead and glue leaves or flower petals to the front of this, or we'll also be including stickers for you to attach to your journal. But this glue stick is also going to come in handy for grab-and-go kits that are going to be available for the rest of the summer. It'll actually be useful for our next grab-and-go, which will be available next Monday. As far as programming goes this summer challenge, everything is going to be online and virtual, and it'll be all pre-recorded, so you don't have to worry about logging in at a specific time in order to participate in one of our programs. Every Wednesday, we will drop a video on our Facebook page, which I will link below, as well as on the Beanstack app. Each program will have a corresponding grab-and-go kit, which will be available from the Monday before the program drops. So for example, if the program doesn't launch until Wednesday, the 23rd of June, then the grab-and-go kits will be available starting Monday, June 21st. If you have any questions about that, feel free to give me an email or call. Every grab-and-go kit is going to have pretty much everything you need to do the program of the week. You can either get your grab-and-go kit early and do it by yourself, or you can wait until Wednesday to do it whenever the program is posted. The choice is really up to you. We're leaving a lot of room for freedom in this summer challenge. So that is an overview of programming for the summer. Now I would like to tell you about our ongoing program, which starts this week. We have decided to partner with the Butler County Humane Society and do a virtual donation drive. So when you first walk into the library, you will see a bulletin board on your right. On this bulletin board all summer, you will see images of the adoptable animals at the Butler County Humane Society. Also posted to the board, you will see a list of supplies that are needed by the Humane Society that you can donate. When you bring your donation in, you can place it in the donation bin under the table by the bulletin board. We'll have a big sign so you'll know where it is. And once you have done your donation, then comes the fun part. You get to vote on the animals on the bulletin board with superlatives. So if you've ever voted in a yearbook for like who's most likely to succeed or who's most artistic, then this is going to be just like that. So you'll have a list of superlatives. We have class clown, life of the party, best eyes, most athletic, most likely to talk your ear off, most likely to be Instagram famous, and so on. So you'll be able to take a look at the animals up on the board and fill out which one you think most fits each superlative, and then you'll place it in a little voting box, and we will tally those up at the end of the summer. So we will be accepting donations and votes for this between June 14th, which is kickoff day, all the way to our wrap-up party, which will be the week of August 2nd. You only need to donate one item in order to vote, but we do ask that you do one vote per person. So you can vote on the whole sheet and do multiple animals, but please only fill out one sheet per person. And that is a wrap for what we have planned for this summer challenge. I hope you come back each week to see new activities and programs that we have available. As always, if you have any questions at all, feel free to give me a call at the library. Our phone number is 724-287-1715. And if you'd like to reach me by email, you can do that at tparker@bcfls.org. I hope you guys are excited for Summer Challenge 2021, and I hope to see you soon.